Всем привет! This is Katya, and today we will discuss the most popular verbs of movement in Russian language. And of course, we are going to talk about 4 verbs: to go, to walk, ходить and идти, and to go by transport, ездить and ехать. What is the difference between them? Let's start with verbs ходить and идти. First of all, идти is used for one-time action in one particular direction. It is just one-time action, not repeated one. For example, сейчас я иду в университет. Now I'm going to university. Сегодня он идет в тренажерный зал. Today he goes to gym. Regularly he does not go to gym, but today he goes. It is just one-time action. And now let's learn the forms of the verb идти. We are going to talk about present tense. Я иду, ты идешь, он, она идет, мы идем, вы идете, они идут. Let's check how to say he is going to the university right now. Сейчас он идет в университет. We are going to the cinema today. Сегодня мы идем в кино. I hope you remember that. And now let's talk about the verb ходить. Ходить is used for some repeated action which happens regularly with some particular frequency. And there is no fixed direction. For example, я хожу в университет каждый день. I go to university every day. It is repeated action. Or студенты ходят в библиотеку каждый день. Students go to library every day. It is repeated action with some particular frequency every day. Мы редко ходим в театр. We rarely go to the theater. And of course, let's learn the forms of the verb ходить. Я хожу, ты ходишь, он, она ходит, мы ходим, вы ходите, они ходят. But you should remember some fixed expressions in Russian language which are used only with the verb идти. The first one – время идет. The second one – дождь идет. And the third one – снег идет. With these 3 examples, we use only the verb идти. And similar situation happens with the verb ездить and ехать. Ехать is used for one-time trip by transport. Ходить, идти by foot, but ездить, ехать by transport, by car, by train, by plane, does not matter. Ехать. For example, я сейчас еду в университет. I am going to the university right now by transport. It is only one-time action. Maybe usually I do not go to the university. Forms of ехать. Я еду, ты едешь, он, она едет, мы едем, вы едете, они едут. Let's try to say in Russian, they are going by transport to the park right now. Сейчас они едут в парк. And ездить is used for some regular repeated action which happens with some particular frequency. Часто, редко, иногда, обычно, каждый день, никогда. Я обычно езжу в магазин в выходные. I usually go to store on the weekend. We never go to village in winter. Мы никогда не ездим в деревню зимой. And of course the forms. Я езжу, ты ездишь, он, она ездит, мы ездим, вы ездите, они ездят. And now I suggest you to complete homework. Now you will see the list of your homework. I suggest you to make screenshot. Complete homework and send it to me in comments. I hope now you have better understanding how to use Russian verbs of movement ходить, идти, ездить, ехать. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments and of course follow me in all my social networks. That's all for today. Пока-пока.